Time now. And they're on their way. Cool reception draws for your lead. Moving up alongside is Run Like the Wind Devil in disguise running by the rail. Sophia's Fury is sneaking in down on the inside. Followed by Apple Splash. Amazing Pace running alongside Fly. Yaday Fly. Malihim then running alongside Salazam. Mike Some Lady running by the rail is Sentry number 2 Maricor's Charm, then followed by Ravishing Rafi, second last Yotero, while the favorite Deep Rising is running at the tail of the field past the 1,000 meter mark and going to the final 900. We have Cool Reception, Sophia's Fury now on the outside, almost catching the lead. Devil in Disguise comes next, then followed by Apple Splash, running by the rail is Sentry number 4, Amazing Pace, Fly, Yaday Fly. Mike Some Lady comes next as they head to the last 600. Sophia's Fury now the leader. Cool Reception once again by the rail. Devil in Disguise is on the outside as they turn to the last 450. Sophia's Fury leading the field by about a length and a half. Devil in Disguise is on the outside. Cool Reception drops back in third with the last 200 meters more to run. Sophia's Fury by about 4 lengths now, followed by Cool Reception. Moving up on the outside is Deep Rising coming from behind. Sophia's Fury, Deep Rising is on the outside, coming in late, and finally Sophia's Fury, Deep Rising, Mike Some Lady, Cool Reception, Devil in Disguise for your Pentapecta.